Story title: The Great Wall of China. A wall through time long ago, more than 2,000 years in the past, there was a land filled with great mountains, wide deserts, and powerful kingdoms, ancient China. During this time, China was not one single country. It was made up of many small states that often fought each other for power and land. Then came a strong and ambitious leader, Emperor Qin Shi Huang, in 221 BCC. He united all the warring states and became the first emperor of China. He wanted his empire to be safe and strong, but danger still waited in the north. From across the vast grasslands came nomadic tribes, especially the fierce Zhongnu horsemen. They rode fast and attacked villages, stealing food and goods. To protect his empire, the emperor decided on something no one had ever imagined before: a wall so long and strong that it could guard China's borders. The beginning of a giant Emperor Qin ordered hundreds of thousands of soldiers, peasants, and prisoners to build this massive wall. It was not built in a day or even a year. It took decades, and later dynasties continued to add and rebuild. The workers carried heavy stones, mud, and bricks up steep mountains and across dry deserts. They used wood, reeds, and even sticky rice as part of their building materials. Some say the rice helped make the bricks stronger. The work was dangerous. The weather was harsh, burning hot in summer, freezing cold in winter. Many workers lost their lives during the construction, but their efforts created one of the most incredible structures the world has ever seen. A wall that stretched across the land when it was finally completed. The Great Wall stretched over 21,000 kilometers, that length about 13,000 miles, making it the longest man-made structure in the world. It passed through mountains, rivers, deserts, and grasslands, winding like a giant dragon across the heart of China. Along the wall stood watchtowers, built so soldiers could keep watch for enemies. If invaders were seen, soldiers would light signal fires from tower to tower, a clever way to send messages quickly across great distances. The wall through the ages. Over time, many dynasties rebuilt and expanded the wall. The most famous work was done during the Ming Dynasty, 1368 to 1644. The Ming emperors used strong bricks and stones, creating the beautiful, well-preserved parts of the wall that we see today, especially near Beijing. But the Great Wall was not just a line of defense. It was also a symbol, a message to the world that China was powerful, organized, and united. It helped protect the Silk Road, the ancient trade route that connected China to the rest of the world, bringing goods, ideas, and cultures together. Myths and meanings. For centuries, people have been amazed by the Great Wall. Some even believed that it could be seen from space, though that's actually a myth. What's true, however, is its deep meaning to the Chinese people. It stands as a reminder of human strength, determination, and unity. Today's Great Wall. Today, the Great Wall of China is one of the new 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Millions of people from all over the world travel to walk on its ancient stones, especially at famous sections like Badaling and Mutianyu near Beijing. When visitors climb the wall, they often stop to look out over the mountains and imagine the soldiers who once stood guard there, watching the horizon for signs of danger. A living memory. The Great Wall is more than just a wall. It's a story written in stone. A story of courage, sacrifice, and unity that has lasted for thousands of years. It tells us that great things are never easy to build, But when people work together with purpose and determination, they can create something that will stand the test of time. And so, the Great Wall of China continues to rise and stretch across the land, a timeless guardian of a nation's history.